If you think you can't do your own makeup, then think again. Do you look at makeup and think, I will never be able to do that on myself? Or are you stuck in a makeup rut? Do you want to learn some quick tips and tricks to open up your eyes and look younger? Look like a pro did your makeup every time you go out. No matter where you are or what your face shape, learn insider tips and hints from a pro to look amazing every day. What you will learn: the quick fix, my own pro techniques using minimal products to get you out of the door fast. The cut crease that opens up the eyes to look younger with this modern makeup technique that suits every face. Sex it up with a smoky eye look, introduce a bit of drama for that special occasion. It might look complicated, but it is actually really simple. All these looks are really easy to achieve and they only need a handful of products. And once you learn these techniques, you will be able to create makeup looks for absolutely any occasion. You can go brighter, darker, lighter to create anything that suits. All the benefits of face-to-face tuition in the privacy of your own home for the price of an hour in the chair with a pro makeup artist. Book your tickets now and join me in the live lounge.